what they say about smoke getting in your eyes. The real danger is when it gets in your body, and not just the lungs. Smoke is also toxic when it gets into your bloodstream.
In cigarettes, you're actually burning and inhaling smoke, particleized air that's burnt. With multiple chemicals.
There are more than 4,000 chemical compounds in a single cigarette. While tar and nicotine has decreased, other carcinogens have increased, and their impact on your body can be devastating.
When they get absorbed into the bloodstream, they cause things like oxidants, and we've all heard about antioxidants. Well, these are oxidants, and what they do is they cause free radical formation, and this is what causes all the changes on the different organs in the body. These oxidants actually break the DNA down and actually cause cancers.
Multiple cancers are linked to cigarettes, lung being the most lethal. It's also connected to breast cancer and cancers of the urinary tract. Being a smoker ups your risk of bladder cancer between 4 and 7 times.
Because the blood is filtered by the kidney, a lot of these chemicals and byproducts of smoking will be urinated, and they will be left in the bladder for the time being. So it's a constant bathing of chemical and toxins that will make some changes in the urinary tract.
Inhaled smoke is also a chief contributor to cardiovascular disease, stroke, and COPD. These points may be worth absorbing before you light up. For Lee Memorial Health System, I'm Amy Osher.